everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 divided 3 bracket 1 plus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So many people fail to solve this because they solve it like this. 1 plus 1 as 2, 3 times 2 as 6 and 6 divided by 6 as 1. Which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. When in expression, we have multiple signs like division, bracket, then addition. Then we have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication. Both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket 1 plus 1 as 2, 6 divided by 3. Now 3 and 2, there is no sign in between. That means there is a multiplication. Now what people do mistake, they think that division and multiplication both have same priority, but they skip the step that we have to always solve from left to right. So it's become 6 divided by 3 multiplied 2, that is 2 multiplied to 4. So what is the correct answer? 4, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.